Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to drop a pin in Google Maps on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to drop a pin in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application, and after opening your Google Maps application guys, on this interface, in order to drop a pin in Google Maps is very easily. Just tap and hold on the place on which you want to drop a pin. But guys, after tapping and holding to drop a pin on the Google Maps, that pin won't be saved on your Google Maps guys. You can share the location. Whenever we tap and hold on some place over here, you can see a pin is dropped, and we will be able to get the direction, and we will be able to save or share the locations from over here. But the moment we go back, that pin will be removed from your Google Maps. Either you'll be required to save it. If you want to save that location for later on, tap and hold on the maps where you want to save that pin. So let's do that. Okay, let's tap and hold on it, and when the pin is dropped in Google Maps, you'll be required to save it as a place you want to go, or your favorites, or your travel plans. And after doing that, tap on done, and that even if you go back and that place closes, your pin will be available if you have saved it on your Google Maps. So let's go to you, and you can see the favorites two places, and there will be one of the places which we had just pinned over here, you can see. And that being said guys, this is how you will be able to drop a pin in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.